To make soup in a slow cooker, start by preparing your ingredients. If you are using frozen ingredients, make sure to thaw them before you assemble your soup. Next, cut any meats and hearty root vegetables you are using into similar-sized pieces so they all cook at the same rate. Aromatic vegetables like onion and garlic and soft vegetables like corn and peppers can be cut into smaller pieces. If you are using meat in your soup, do the extra step of trimming the fat, then brown your meat in a skillet to enhance the color and flavor. Before adding any ingredients, line the slow cooker with non-stick cooking spray, then add your hearty vegetables. Next, add any meat you are using, along with your desired seasonings. Top it off with your aromatic vegetables. Pour in broth or water until all your ingredients are covered by roughly ½ inch, 1.25 centimeters. Place the lid on your slow cooker and turn on the heat. Generally, most soups should cook on high for 3 to 4 hours, or on low for 6 to 8 hours. Do not disturb your soup while it's cooking. Once your soup is finished, turn off the heat, carefully remove the lid, and stir the ingredients to distribute them evenly throughout the soup. Serve warm and enjoy.